When it comes to the quality of your air, a lot goes into keeping contaminants out. Featuring 360 degrees of filtration, a noise-reducing shock pad, and a powerful, energy-efficient motor, the Core300 captures allergens, odors, and airborne bacteria with 3 unique filters. Each piece is an essential part of the beautiful device. All it needs is a home. That's where you come in. The Core300 covers up to 215 square feet and 20 square meters, making it perfect for medium-sized living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Our filters capture pollen, pet dander, as well as smoke and unpleasant odors. Choose between 3 fan speeds and 4 timer settings, depending on the needs of your environment. Want something quieter? Turn on sleep mode when it's time for bed. The Core300 is guaranteed to make your home healthier. Levoit.